Hello my dear students, let's continue with our today's class.
Class 3, today in your social studies class, will continue with lesson number 11, that is globes and maps. In the previous video, we studied about globes. So what is a globe? I told you that a globe is a three-dimensional model of our Earth. Means three-dimensional means it has its length also, breadth also, and height also. Okay, and the map is a two-dimensional drawing of the Earth. Two-dimensional means it is flat. It has only length and breadth. It doesn't have height. Now, after that, today I told you about the features of globe also. It has some problems also that a globe is difficult to carry, and number two is globe is difficult because it cannot be used to compare different places of the Earth. Now today in this video we'll study about the differences between a globe and a map. So your first point is it is a three-dimensional model of the Earth, globe, but a map is a two-dimensional drawing of the Earth or a part of it. Okay, we can draw the whole Earth or a part of it in a two-dimensional drawing of the Earth or a part of it. After that, second point is it does not show detailed information about any particular area. Globe doesn't show any detailed information about any particular area, but a map, it can show detailed information about any area. We can show any area, about a particular area we can show in a map. Then number three is a globe is big and it is difficult to carry. We cannot carry a globe along with us, but a map is easier to carry and use. We can carry map anywhere else, anywhere, and we can use it there also. Number four, it does not show the entire Earth at one time. At one time, we cannot show the entire Earth in a globe. To see at a time, we can see only one half of the globe, and to see the another half, we have to rotate it. But in a map, it can be used to see the entire. It can be used to see the entire Earth at one time. At one time, we can see the entire Earth in a map, and we can compare the places also in a map. Now, these were the differences between a globe and a map. After that, we'll study about the types of maps. Now, how many types of maps are there? Now, there can be many types of maps. You must have seen many types of maps, but the two main types of maps are these. First is political map and the second is physical map. So, what is the political map? A political map shows the boundaries, okay, boundaries of countries, boundaries of state, boundaries of cities, and the boundaries of major water bodies. Who shows what political map shows. Then number two is physical map. Now this physical map shows all physical features of an area. Like it can show the rivers, it can show the mountains, the plateaus, and so many other features also are also shown in a physical map. So these were the types of maps.
As you can see in this picture, this is the picture of a political map. Okay, as you can see, there are boundaries. These are the boundaries in which there is shown the states. These are the state boundaries shown in this map of India. This is a political map. And another type of map is physical map, in which all the physical features are shown. Okay, like here the ranges are shown, deserts are shown in this area, in this map, and the plateaus are shown, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, and ghats are shown, Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, Deccan Plateaus, and ranges are Satpura Range, Vindhya Range, Aravali Range. Okay, so many ranges. Deserts are shown in this map, and so many other features are also shown in this map. Rivers are shown in this map. Okay, so this is the physical map in which the physical features are shown. Okay.
Now subdirections means the direction between these main directions. Like between north and east, there is northeast. Between east and south, there is south. This is southeast. Between south and west, this is southwest. And between west and north, this is northwest. So these are the subdirections. These are main directions and these are subdirections. Okay. Now, there are many ways to find directions. We can find direction through many ways, but among them, there are two ways in which in this lesson we have studied. Two ways. First is to with the use of a compass. With the use of a compass, we can find the direction. Okay. Now, what is a compass? Compass is a small device. It's a small device that is used to find directions. It's a small device which is used to find directions. Now, what is this small device? Now, this small device, this compass has a magnetic needle. It has a needle and that needle is made of magnet. And this magnetic needle is attached to a dial. It's attached to a dial and that dial has all direction marked on it. All direction means all the main directions and the sub-directions. Now, how? I'll show you. Now, your next topic is finding places. Finding places means whenever we have to find a place, then what we do? We just have to, if we have to reach a place that we don't know and we have to find that place, we use directions. Now, what are directions? Directions are the lines along which a body moves. Okay, it's a line along which our body moves. Like there are four main directions. Now, main directions there are only four. That is north, south, east, and west. And what are these? Do you know where are these directions? So this is at the top is north. At the very bottom is south. And here is east. This is east and this is west. So these are the main directions, four main directions in a map. Now there are few sub-directions also.
Look at this picture. This is the picture of a compass. As I told you that it has what? Magnetic needle. Yes. So this is a magnetic needle. This has a magnetic needle and this is attached to a dial. Okay. Dial means it is attached to this dial and it has all the directions like north, east, south and west and all the sub-direction northwest, northeast, southeast and southwest. Okay, and all the directions are marked on it. So this is called a compass. This is used to find the directions.
Now when a compass is in the rest position, when the compass is in rest position, so its needle always point to the north, means it always point to the north direction. Okay, when it is in rest position. Now the another way to find direction is by following the movement of the sun. We all know that the sun always rises in the east and it sets in the west. It rises in the east and sets in the west direction. So by following this movement of the sun, we can find the direction. It means if you stand facing the sun, facing the rising sun, means if you stand here and you are facing here towards the east, the rising of the sun, towards the rising of the sun. So the direction in front of you will be the east. Means you are standing here and you are standing towards the rising of the sun here. It means this is east. This direction will be east. And behind you means you are standing here and behind you, here behind you, this direction will be west. And to your left means here you are standing and to your left, this is your left, there will be north and towards your right will be south. So this is this is also a way to find the directions by following the movement of the sun. So today we have learned about the differences between a globe and a map, about the types of maps, that mainly there are two types of maps, physical and political map. And after that we have also learned about finding places, means about directions, that there are four main directions and four sub directions also. and after that how to find directions. There two ways we have learned to find the direction. One, through the use of compass, and second by following the movement of the sun. This the second one you can also practice at home. Okay, you can also practice this second one by standing towards the rising of the sun. So we have completed this lesson, globes and maps. And if you have any doubt regarding these topics we discussed today, you can mail me and ask your queries. So this much for today. Thank you.